What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I have a delicious good one today. Today I'm showing you how to make 3 orange healthy immune boosting smoothies that you do not want to miss how to make. If you want to see how I make these, just keep on watching. Of course, to start off, I have my BlendJet 2. The first ingredient that I'm going to be using is half a cup of almond milk. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of orange juice. I'm going to add 1 peeled orange. I'm just using a regular navel orange. I'm just going to break it apart and put it inside so that it can blend well. Now I'm just going to blend it up before I add my other ingredients. Now that has blended, I'm going to add in half of a frozen banana, and I'm also going to add in 1/4 cup of carrots. Last but not least, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that has blended all up, of course, I'm going to pour it into my handy dandy glass. So the next smoothie that I'm going to be making is an orange Julius smoothie. I'm going to start off by adding 1 cup of orange juice. Next, I'm going to add half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The next ingredient I'm going to add is half a cup of vanilla yogurt. And you guys, I'm using So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk yogurt. So you can use whatever yogurt of your choice. And last, I'm going to add half of a frozen banana. time to add it to my glass, and let's see that consistency. Okay, you guys, the third and final smoothie, we're gonna call this one the Jama juice. I don't know, I just thought of that. But anyway, you guys, we're gonna start off with 1 cup of orange juice for our base. Next, I'm going to add in half a frozen banana. I'm going to go ahead and blend this up before I add in my other ingredients. Now that I gave that 1 cycle, I'm going to add in 1 cup of frozen mango chunks. You guys, I love mangoes. If you love mangoes, comment down below and let me know. I love mangoes. Now I'm going to add in half a cup of my coconut milk yogurt. And like I said in the other recipe, you can use whatever yogurt you would like. Okay, so after all of that blending, it is now time to pour it into my glass. And you guys, check out this consistency. Thick and creamy, and it looks so delicious. All right, y'all, that's it. All 3 of these delicious smoothies are packed with vitamin C to give your immune system a boost and also may give you some energy. But you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.